Hello property hunters! So welcome to the condo unit kung saan ito yung binibenta ng aking buyer worth 2.5 million dito sa Hacienda Balay Condominium, Quezon City in Zabarte. Tara, tour tayo! This is the hallway of Building 6, second floor. And then ito yung exact unit na binibenta ng aking buyer noong 2017. 2017 niya ito binili. So ngayon is binibenta niya na for 2.5 million. Tara, pasukin natin. Ayan, so upon entering this condo unit, nandito sa side yung toilet and bath. Then ayan na, syempre kasama na yung hot and cold shower. Ayan, then pasok pa tayo. For this area, so this will be the dining area at ito naman yung living area. Then itong part na to, ito yung kitchen area. And as you can see, so as you can see guys, so may overhead kitchen cabinet na siya, and of course meron na siyang cabinet at kasama na rin itong range food, no? As far as I can remember, nung na-turnover yung unit na ito, sobrang wala siya. I mean, studio unit na talaga ito. Then, walang ganito, ito lang yung pera. Actually, ito parang dinagdag na lang din. So, ayun na, kapag nabili yung unit na ito kasama na ito. Then, dito naman sa side na ito is laundry area. So, itong part na to is a laundry area. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng washing machine dito or yung automatic washing machine. And of course, meron siyang air well. So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa bedroom. And of course, kasama sa bedroom ay itong aircon. Sinasama na rin yung buyer itong aircon. And of course, meron din tayo kasamang blinds. Nakasama rin siya sa turnover ng unit. So, ito yung blinds. So, ito na rin yung bedroom. So, ito pinagawa rin ito ng buyer nung nag-moving sila, na-turnover itong unit na doon 2017 or 2018. So, pinagawa rin nila yung division. Then, dito sa side na to, ito yung balcony. Diba? Ito yung pinto, papuntang balcony. And of course, may blind na rin tayo dito. Then, meron na rin tayo dito provision for aircon. So, yung aircon na size dito is 1.5. Then check natin. So, ito yung labas ng balcony. As you can see, so itong building na ito na nakikita niyo yung harap niya is building 5. So, this is worth 2.5 million. Pwede siyang cash. Of course, pag cash, you will get, for our cash buyer, you will get a special discount. Pero kung ipapasok natin siya sa financing, so pwede rin siya sa Pag-ibig financing. So, syempre, I will be the one to assist you once po na ipapasok natin siya sa Pag-ibig financing. Hi guys! So, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon ng Building 6 and papunta tayo sa swimming pool. It's just a few minutes, it's just a few steps away lang. So, from Building 6. So, let's go! So, sobrang parang 2015 nung nag-start ako ibenta to. So parang building 1 to building 5 lang yung yung nakatayo. Ayun no. So sobrang kompleto niya na. Sobrang kompleto na lahat ng buildings. And meron na siyang cleaning. Parang 12 years ago. Sobrang wala pa tong area na to. At yung price na ito, yung nag-start ako is nagre-range lang yung building 1 to building 5 or building 6. Nagre-range lang siya ng 1.1 to 1.5 M. Ngayon nasa 3 M na. Hello property hunters and welcome to my channel. So this is another day and another episode of Property Hunting. This is Tom, ang inyong ahente.